My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S in classic black. This vehicle comes with £20,000 worth of additional spec, which we've listed in the description below. It has a powerful 3.8 litre V6 engine, reaching 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.